Now we're going to go ahead and show you how easy it is to put the Easy Path device in the floor. So now we have our 33, correct?
Correct.
All right, and we have, how big a hole is this one, Eddie?
It is sleeved and it's
4 inch?
Yeah, 4 inch.
4 inch, okay. So this system is good for a 2, 3, or 4 hour floor, and that's going to be dependent on the thickness of the concrete. So obviously check your life safety plans to know what floor you're dealing with, but this Easy Path will cover you up to that. So you've already put the kick plate in, correct?
Correct.
All right. So this is great when you're working from above. Once again, this system will allow you to put this kick plate in, just install it per the instructions, but it's not much more than just tightening it up to what would be centered within the floor. All right, so we're gonna put one firestop device centered within the opening, and this is again gonna allow us to have a 0 to 100% cross-sectional fill for our cables. Eddie's gonna go ahead and just drop it in, bang it in, and our Easy Path is that easily installed in the floor, and it's compliant with no cables in or 100% cable fill. So there is F-A-3021 in the books, Easy Path, easy. In the meantime, for more information, please visit www.stifirestop.com.